Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to improve the signal on your consumer cellular home phone base, placement makes a big difference because the base connect through consumer cellular network rather than a traditional phone line. The Verve home phone base has two external antennas and a dedicated signal strength indicator, so you can use the indicator to compare different locations around your home. Consumer Cellular recommends placing the base where the cellular signal is strong, typically near a window or a wall, and keeping the antenna's position vertically. So you can try this. 1. Move the base to a window facing location and compare the signal indicator. 2. Check for more green signal bars after relocating the unit. 3. Keep both antennas standing vertically when the base is on a surface. 4. Avoid placing the base behind thick walls, cabinets, or other obstructions. 5. Test a few different spots and keep the location that give the strong signal.